Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Leetcode, same tree question. Major tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given two binary trees, write a function to check if they are the same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. Example 1. We have two trees here. They need to be structurally identical, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and their node values should be the same, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we return true for this one. Example 2. The input, and we have two trees here, two binary trees, and they're not structurally identical. One of them is 1, 2, and the other one is 1, null, 2. So we return false for this one. And this one is 1, 2, 1, and 1, 1, 2. These nodes are not identical, so node values are different, so we return false for this one as well. So they have to be in the same order and same values. Let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this question. So basically we are given two trees, and in the question we have two parameters. One node from each tree. One node from the left and one node from the right. So there are a couple of checks we need to do. Then we will do recursion and traverse all the left and right subtrees until we reach the leaf nodes and check if these nodes are equal on each side. So for example, is same tree is the question. We have left node and right node. First thing we check is, are these nodes equal? Are these nodes both null? If both of them are null, then we return true. We simply break the loop, break the recursion, and return true. Because they're both null, we don't need to do any more recursion, any more calls. So we return true. Even if they're null, they're same, so we return true. If one of them is null and the other one is not, then they're not equal, so we return false. Again, we break recursion. So these two checks is where we exit recursion. And the third check is the values. If, for example, this one is 1, this one is not 1, this one is 5, etc., then values are not the same, so that means we break the recursion here again. We exit the loop. So we return false and exit the recursion. If all of them passes, if they're not null, if both of them are not null, etc., and the values are the same, then we start traversing left and right subtrees. We call the same tree function for p.left and q.left, and also p.right and q.right. We go all the way to the leaf nodes and come back, go right all the way to the leaf nodes and come back, and do that for both trees. So this is pretty much what we need to do. We need to traverse all the way to the leaf nodes and come back, all the way to the leaf nodes and come back. And we send two nodes, so we are traversing two trees. This looks like ON runtime complexity, 2 ON, and we drop the constant, so it's ON time complexity. So what we need to do is, again, it's a recursive call, and we do the left subtree, then go all the way back and do the right subtree. Check each node as we go through. If they're null, if one of them is null, then we return. If the values are not the same, we return, and we do the recursive call. Let's write the code and see if it's going to work. So here, null check, false, etc. And here we do the left sub-tree call and write sub-tree call. Submit. And this worked. I hope this was helpful for you, and I have more videos coming up. If you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again in the near future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.